Happy Monday, awesome admins, and welcome to day 9 of the Admin Lightning Challenge. We are in the final 2 days of the Admin Lightning Challenge, but it's not too late to nominate fellow admins to catch up by going to admin.salesforce.com/lightningchallenge. So let's get started. Our day 8 admin swag recipient is going to get an awesome admin t-shirt and a pair of matching awesome admin socks. So let's go ahead and take a look at who shared their solution for day 8, and we'll be getting some awesome admin swag in the mail. Harish shared his solution for day 8 and shared a screenshot of his dashboard, a great sales dashboard with different types of charts on it. Thank you so much, Harish, for sharing your solution, and I look forward to seeing your next 2 solutions as well with the hashtag Lightning Challenge. So what was our day 8 solution? Our day 8 challenge. Our day 8 challenge was to create a new Lightning dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into my Lightning app and show you how I create dashboards in Lightning and take advantage of some of the cool features in Lightning dashboards. So I'm here in my Lightning app, and I'm in my dashboards tab, and I could edit an existing classic dashboard and make it a Lightning dashboard, but I'm going to create a brand new dashboard by going to New Dashboard. Now, since I still can use all of my same reports that I created in Classic, I don't need to go ahead and create any reports just now, so I'm going to go straight to creating a dashboard. I'll call this a new Lightning Sales Dashboard. We'll call this for sales users, and let's put it into a folder. I can put it into my sales dashboard folder. So I've created my dashboard. I created a description so that everyone knows which dashboard they're clicking into, and I put it in a folder called sales dashboards that's already shared with all of my sales users. So those description and names are populated here on the top left, and I have this whole blank canvas to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by adding some components. This is a sales dashboard, so I'm going to look for some opportunities or some reports that involve opportunities. And I'm going to go pretty quickly through creating these dashboards so I can show you some of the features that are my favorite in Lightning. One of my favorite types of Lightning components or dashboard components is stacked bar charts, both horizontal and vertical. Just a personal favorite, especially because of what you can do now in Lightning with these. So we'll call this by maybe status. Actually, we'll say opportunity name, stack by status. Great. Go ahead and add. I can change my title. Add my title and footer if I want. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to edit how they look just yet. I'm going to put all my components that I want, and then I'm going to go ahead and actually make changes to the look and feel of the dashboard. Maybe we can look at activities by sales rep. Have some, kind of matrix or metrics reflected that way. We'll also look at some forecasting numbers, maybe channel forecast. Notice I do have a lot of bar charts in, so I'm going to kind of mix it up a little bit and have different types of components reflected. We'll make this one 50. And let's add 1 or 2 more, just so that until we're ready. Let's say average opportunity size. That's an interesting metric to look at. So I can look at these in all different ways, just like when you make your classic dashboard components. You can determine your y-axis, your x-axis. You can choose how you want the information reflected, pick your title, your subtitle, all of that. So I've created this dashboard. It's not great to look at just yet. Everything is just in the left column. So I'm going to kind of drag a few items over here so they automatically pop up to the top. Now I can change how I want to look at this information. So some information doesn't require as much room and some does. So I saw a lot of dashboards that have kind of the nice evenly spaced grids, and for certain types of dashboards that makes a lot of sense. But for a dashboard like this where we're reflecting information in different ways, it's really useful to be able to change how information is reflected as far as the size we're taking up. Because for example, my gauge component really doesn't require as much room as, say, my various, actually let's change this and make it a horizontal, my various bar chart components, right? So I can start to make these changes to really maximize the space that I'm using and make sure that the space is filled up visually, but it's filled up visually in a way that makes sense. And I can even, maybe I have room here for another one. We'll just say accounts with ops. Maybe we just want like a number here. So again, I can start to really define how this information is reflected and what it looks like, because I can change the shapes around and change the size around. Now, this is incredibly useful for those of us who make a lot of dashboards for our users or encourage our users to make dashboards, because with Lightning dashboards, you can change the types of representation you have for each component so that your bar charts that need more room get more room, and maybe other types of components like just your numbers or your gauge don't need quite as much room. So I've created my charts, I've created my dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And now when I'm done, I can also share this with others. So I can go ahead and say, hey, everyone, take a look. And post that on the feed for this dashboard as well, which is really exciting because I've got this nice slide out here so I can collaborate on the dashboard, communicate around it, and let my users know that they've got a brand new dashboard to check out. So that was how I created my Lightning dashboard. Now, are you ready for our day 9 challenge? Day 9, your challenge is to create a new Lightning app page and assign it to an app. So we're back to the app builder, and my challenge to you is to create an awesome Lightning app page and assign it to an app. And this is one of my favorite challenges because this allows you to choose how you want to represent data and how you want to represent different types of information from all different objects or all different parts of your app in one page for your users. And please share your solutions with the hashtag Lightning Challenge. And your solutions can be in the form of a mobile screenshot, because your app page will be available on Salesforce One if you add it to your Salesforce One navigation, or from your desktop. So I'm really excited to see all of your solutions for today's challenge, and I'll see you tomorrow, awesome admins.